Welcome to JustLogin's eBenefit Configuration Guide. The eBenefit module is on the Classic interface of your system. Let's switch to Classic by clicking on the area where you see your name, and then click on Switch to Classic. Once on the Classic interface, click on eBenefit, and to configure eBenefit module, click on Setup. The first thing that you will see is Company Setup. On Benefit Entitlement Policy, there are 4 options to choose from. Entitlement Fixed for all staff, if the benefit is fixed and no increments for all users. Entitlement Based on Grade, choose this if there are different entitlements for different grades. Entitlement Based on Years of Service or Calendar Year, you can choose this if the entitlements are based on the staff service in the company. Entitlement Based on Grade and Years of Service or Calendar Year, this is a combination of options 2 and 3. On Benefit Policy section, put a tick on any of these options as necessary. If the benefit request needs approval, if you will allow attachment, or if you want the attachment to be mandatory, and if you will allow negative balance. Negative balance is allowing users to claim beyond their balances. For eBenefit Administrator section, please choose the administrator that you would like to assign by clicking on the drop-down and then choosing the name from the list. Next is how to choose the approving officer list. There are 2 options to choose from: predefined approving officer, only users selected by eBenefit Administrator, or approving officer for each user must be selected by eBenefit Administrator. On Benefit Cancellation Policy, there are 2 options. Either you will allow or disallow the staff to cancel their requests. On Currency section, this allows you to define the currency in which the benefit cost will be reflected. Please do not forget to click on Submit to save your settings. Let's now go to Setup Grades. On Setup Grade sub-tab, you can set up grades for employees if the benefits of the company is based on grades. Click on Add, type in the grade code, the description, and then Save. Next is Set up Benefit Groups. Set up Benefit Groups, on the other hand, allows you to define the number of approving levels for each benefit. Click on Add, type in the group code, the group name, and the number of approval level necessary. Please don't forget to save. Next sub-tab is Setup Grades Policy. This allows you to set the annual limit of the benefit. Please remember to assign it to the correct grade and benefit group. Click on Add, choose the correct grade, input the annual limit, and assign the benefit group. Click on Save. On Setup Entitlement Policy sub-tab, this is optional and is only used if there are increments to the entitlement for each grade or benefit. Next tab to go to is the Benefit Type tab. The Benefit Type sub-tab allows you to set up the types of benefits in which you allow your staff to claim. Click on Add, type in the benefit type name, indicate if there's no cap per claim, or no cap per year. You can also opt to input the description of this benefit type. On Pay Elements column, if you want this benefit to be transferred over to the payroll system of JustLogin, you will have to indicate which pay element it will be tagged to, and then indicate the benefit group. Please save. Next, let's go to eBenefit Users. Make sure that the names of all eBenefit users are ticked. Lastly, Set up AO. This page will allow you to set up the approving officers for different types of benefits. You can also change or edit the name of the approval level title by clicking on the pencil icon, type in the new name, and then click on Save. To assign the approvers for different levels, click on the person icon. A pop-up window will appear with a list of users that you can assign. And then select. The name that you chose should appear inside the box. Please do not forget to assign for each level of approval. Thank you for watching this video. The next video will be on eBenefit Administrator Guide.